This is a Husky organizer I picked up from Home Depot for $15. Really good quality, waterproof, dustproof. It comes with multiple dividers. I took them out, just put this one in, and the nice thing is you can take your DJI Spark, 2 batteries, charging block, remote on the other side of the divider, charging cables, and then I just use a little microfiber cleaning cloth to put over the DJI Spark, lock it in, everything's secure in there. It probably fits into a small backpack, no issue. I use the top as a launch pad. It's got no metal in there besides a little carabiner, so it's great to launch off the beach or somewhere that's wet and dirty or moist.